That green terracotta shaft of the building reminds them of a champagne bottle, which I suppose is a good symbol of the age of excess that was the 1920s as that decade came to an end. Off here to the left, you remember River City, where we turned around on the South Branch, Bertrand Goldberg's 1986 community. To our left, this is Marina City, finished in the mid-1960s. Again, Bertrand Goldberg designed his signature statement, 262-story cylindrical towers, a 70-foot marina, an office building, originally a theater, now the House of Blues. See the shops and cafes. Remember, Bertrand Goldberg says, give people enough to keep them socially, intellectually, culturally involved. They'll choose the centers of our great cities. This was the first large-scale residential development in downtown Chicago. When it was finished, 85% of the people originally that lived in this building could walk to work. And it's interesting that Mies van der Rohe, Bertrand Goldberg's teacher, plucks the last project of his career down right next to his students, 330 North Wabash. Originally the headquarters for the IBM Corporation, finished in 1971. There's that beautiful mid-century modern sleek design. Again, remember Mies van der Rohe saying he's trying to bring order out of the desperate confusion of his time. I submit to you there is nothing desperately confusing in the design of that tower. Two great Chicago architectural firms, DeStefano and Associates and Perkins and Will, make their offices in Mies van der Rohe's last project. And off here to the left, the new kid on the block, Trump Tower, finished in 2008. Skidmore and Merrill designed Trump. Adrian Smith was the lead designer on the project. Adrian Smith left. Skidmore went on to design the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, that just opened up at the beginning of this year. And Adrian Smith and his partner Gordon Gill have just announced a brand new design for what will be in 5 years the tallest tower in the world. And that will be the first building in Saudi Arabia, the first building in the world to reach 1 kilometer in height, nearly 2/3 of a mile. This building is about half hotel rooms, about